Hi, welcome to Teacher Laila's online classroom. This is for English language year 2 for the phonics base lesson. For the next lesson, we are going to learn about phonics for the sound of air, air, air. Listen and say. Air, 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 air. Now, let's us blend the sound with other letter. F, f, f. Air, fair, fair. Air, air, hair, hair. This is fair, fun, fair. This is our hair, the black hair. Fair, hair. Ch, ch, ch. Air, air. Chair, chair. We sit on the chair, chair. P, p, p. Air, air, pear, pear. A pair of shoes, a pair of scissors. Let's say the words again. Fair, fair. Hair, hair. Chair, chair. Pair, pair. A pair of shoes, a pair of trousers.